Today I'm going to show you how to use button pressing machine. So these are the parts in the machine. This is the spring, and this is we will keep in the spring, and this is the buttons. This is the upper part, and this is the lower part. In the lower part there are two holes where we will stitch it with a thread and needle, and this is the lower part. This is how we will attach both the lower part and the upper part. This is how. So we'll keep aside this and take the fabric and cover the upper part with the fabric. Here, upper part, and here I'm taking white color for the button to cover it. I will roll it here and then tie it with a thread to make it tight and smooth looking. Without tying it also it is possible, but without tying it will not look nice because it will lose the fabric, and actually when we tie it, it looks tight and smooth. Then cut it. This is how I cover and tie it. So this is the lower part. The lower part I will put like this. Open one, I will put it up, and this is the deeper one. The deeper one where there is deep, and there we will insert the buttons properly and straight so that it will come smooth. Then put it down and press it twice and hard. So this is how this is already ready. Yes, looking smooth. So I'm doing another. Put the open up and take the fabric again and cover it, the upper part, and roll with a thread, tie it again. Tie and cut. This is how we can make. We can do different kinds and different color of fabric. Then insert it this again carefully and properly. And put this down again, press it twice. This looks ready now. See how it is looking smooth. Yes, here is the buttons. I cover it with a fabric and ready to use it. This is